Hello dear students, hope you all are keeping well at home. Today we will study English Grammar chapter 15, topic articles a and the. Students, we have already learned that there are 26 letters in the English alphabet. We also learned the letters A, E, I, O, U are vowels and rest all the letters are called the consonants. It is also clear from the topic itself that A and N, the, the are called articles. A and N is known as indefinite article and the is known as definite article. In today's lesson, we will mainly study about the uses of these articles A and the. We use article and A and N before a noun when it begins with a vowel sound. And we use article A before a noun when it begins with a consonant. Let's see the uses of A with examples. Number 1, a bus. Here the noun bus begins with the letter B, which is a consonant. So we use article A with the noun bus as a bus in the same way. Example 2, a tree. Example 3, a book. Example 4, a red. Example 5, a leaf. And example 6, a bag. Now let's see the uses of A and N with examples. Number 1, an owl. Here the noun owl begin with the letter O, which is a vowel. So we use article N, A and N with the noun owl as an owl. In the same way, example 2, an umbrella. 3, an ink pot. 4, an igloo. 5, an eagle. And 6, an apple. Now it is clear to us the uses of the article A and N. Students, we need to keep in our mind and remember that there are words beginning with the letter H. For example, our honest, where the letter H is silent but it has the sound of a vowel. So it adds the articles A and N before it. As an honest man and our. Now let us see the uses of the, the. We use the article the, the, when we talk about a particular or a specific thing we already know. For example, she has a dress. The dress is very small. Number 2, the teacher has a book. The book is interesting. We also use the article the for names of rivers, mountains, historical buildings, holy books, and unique objects. For example, the sun, the Alps, the India Gate, the Ganges, the moon, the Red Fort, the Jama Masjid, the earth, and the Qutub Minar. So dear students, through the chapter, we learned that article A and N is used to describe indefinite noun and article A is used with noun beginning with consonant sound and article A and N is used with noun beginning with vowel sound. Again, we also learned that article the is used to describe particular thing or a specific thing we already know. We also do learn that article the is also used for names of rivers, mountains, historical buildings, holy books, and unique objects. That's all for today's class. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.